Imagine telling a story without using words like he, she, or they. It would sound repetitive and awkward. That's why we have pronouns, small words that make our sentences smooth and natural. Welcome to the Grammar Doctor, your go-to channel for mastering English grammar. In today's lesson, we'll cover pronouns, what they are, their types, and how to use them correctly. And at the end, we have a fun quiz, so stick around till the end. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Instead of repeating the same noun again and again, we use pronouns to make our sentences shorter and clearer. For example, without a pronoun, John loves football. John plays football every day. John's friends also love football. Now with a pronoun, John loves football. He plays football every day. His friends also love football. See how much smoother the sentence sounds? That's the power of pronouns. There are different types of pronouns, each serving a specific purpose. Let's go through them one by one. Personal pronouns refer to specific people or things and change based on number, singular, plural, and function, subject, object. Subject pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence and include I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Object pronouns are used as the object of a sentence and include me, you, him, her, it, us, them. For example, in the sentence, she gave me a book, the word she is a subject pronoun, and me is an object pronoun. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. Some examples are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. For instance, in this bag is mine, but that one is yours. The words mine and yours indicate possession. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object of a sentence are the same. Examples include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. For instance, she looked at herself in the mirror. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things, such as this, that, these, those. For example, this is my phone, but that is yours. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions, including who, whom, whose, what, which. For example, who is calling me? Relative pronouns connect clauses in a sentence. These include who, whom, whose, which, that. An example is, the book that I borrowed was interesting. Indefinite pronouns refer to people or things without being specific. Some examples are someone, everyone, anybody, nobody, everything, anything. For instance, someone left their bag here. Reciprocal pronouns show mutual action between two or more people. The two reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. For example, they love each other deeply. To use pronouns correctly, follow these simple rules. Use subject pronouns as the subject of a sentence. For example, he is my friend. Correct. Versus him is my friend. Incorrect. Use object pronouns after verbs or prepositions. For example, she gave the book to me. Correct. Versus she gave the book to I. Incorrect. Use reflexive pronouns only when needed. For example, I hurt myself. Correct versus I hurt me. Incorrect. Now it's quiz time. Let's see how much you've learned. Answer in the comments. 1. Which sentence is correct? A. Me love English. B. I love English. 2. What type of pronoun is him? A. Subject pronoun. B. Object pronoun 3. Fill in the blank. This pen is mine, but that one is I. Comment your answers below, and I'll reply to let you know if you're right. Great job today. Now you know what pronouns are, their types, and how to use them correctly. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be speaking fluently. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun English lessons on The Grammar Doctor. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.